Charlotte Ashley, editor of Baking and Snack magazine, and in our May issue, we gave you a tour of Anthony and Sons Bakery and shared about their newest venture, the Avocado Bread Company. Here to talk more about avocado bread is the company's Vice President of Sales and Marketing, Ben Rizzatello. Thanks for joining me today, Ben.
Hello, thank you for having me.
So, avocado bread is a really novel concept. Tell me how you developed the idea.
So, what we wanted to do was develop a unique item to put out in the industry. And we did some market research and found that avocado toast is growing in the food service segment year after year, 5 to 10%. So, once we realized that, we decided why not put avocado into a multigrain bread? And we did have pushback with R&D because it's something that's unheard of, but we actually achieved a really good loaf of bread.
That's so exciting. Like you said, it is an unheard of product. What were some of those challenges R&D faced as they developed it?
So during the developmental process, we found that too much avocado made the interior crumb very soft and gummy. Not enough avocado made the interior crumb very dry. So we had to find that fine line to fit in between to achieve that. But once we did achieve it, and we got a good cell structure, we realized that avocado really doesn't have a flavor. So it just really tasted like a multigrain bread. So what we decided to do is we realized how people relate to avocado with guacamole spices. So we developed our own mixture of guacamole spices, added it to the bread, and that's how we achieved the flavor profile today.
And now you launched the avocado bread about a year and a half ago. How has the brand grown, both in reach and the product portfolio?
So when we launched the avocado bread, we at IDDBA we saw what a big response that the industry had. So the president of the company decided, let's brand the avocado bread company, and this way, when we plan on having line extensions, we'll continue to grow within that segment. Since then, we are in 5,000 units across the country, including Mexico, Turks and Caicos, Puerto Rico, and Hawaii.
That's so exciting. Thank you so much, Ben, for taking time to tell us more about the Avocado Bread Company and Anthony Sons. And if you'd like to read more, please be sure to check out the May issue of Baking and Snack.